How to create a brushstroke in Affinity Photo. It's very easy. You can create it from a straight line. Create a rectangle, just something like this. Go to the gradient tool and drag down. Now I'm using a swatch with a rainbow effect. So I've got this lovely colourful design. Go to layer and down to here, rasterize. Needs to be turned into a pixel layer. Once you've done that, go to the brushes panel. You can find that in the window menu and brushes, or view menu in studio if you're using the previous version. Right side menu and go down to new brush from selection. So new brush from selection, and now you've got your design. Just remove that layer, double click, and you can see your design there. You can modify the spacing so you can have it crunched up to get a lovely tube rainbow effect. And also you can modify the rotation, dynamics, size jitter, so you can increase or decrease by pressure, and then apply using the paintbrush tool. And you can see the result there. Now, one thing you should do maybe is reduce down size so it's a bit smaller, and now you can see the design like that. And of course, other designs can be created. Simply go back here, double click, and you go to dynamics and maybe set rotation jitter so it rotates and twists randomly. Click close and again apply, and you've got a lovely colourful design very quickly there. You can also add some effects to it as well. So I've got this design, this rectangle with the gradient. Well, I can go over to the layers panel, go down to effects, and maybe add an outer shadow. So here, radius, offset and intensity. See the shadow there, and maybe add some 3D. So it gives it a nice depth to it. Close, then again go back to layer and down to rasterize, and make certain you deselect this, preserve layer effects. Click rasterize, exactly the same as before, go over here, click here, and new brush from selection. And it's again saved, double click, and then you can tweak this as well. So change the spacing, maybe change the size, dynamics, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.